Hello everyone and welcome to Dragon Charts. In today's session we're going to be looking at a stock that trades on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange called China Coal Energy, ticker number 1898. Most of the plays that we do in Dragon Charts are actually breakouts above consolidation or pullbacks to support, but one of the types of setups that we teach our students is also about trend reversals. And this is a stock that's setting up for a potential trend reversal. So let's take a look at what we see here. First of all, what is most glaring to us when looking at this chart, we're looking at a chart here over the past year, by the way. What we see is several different moving averages. Here we have the 200-day moving average, the orange line. The green line is the 50-day moving average, and the blue line is the 20-day moving average. And what we typically look for trend reversals is for the stock to move above the 50-day moving average for a bullish trend reversal. And you notice here how this 50-day moving average acted perfectly as resistance back about a month ago. The highs of these stocks right here, notice how it stopped 2 days in a row. The price failed to go above the 50-day moving average. And then about 4 days ago, each one of these bars, of course, is 1 day of price action. About 4 days ago, we actually saw it again tested a 50-day moving average. Now, 2 days ago, the stock sold off, but notice how in today's trading, or I should say June 6th trading, the price actually reversed sharply and went above the previous day's high, this green bar right here. This is called a bullish engulfing candlestick. And this type of candlestick indicates that all the sellers are dried up, they're gone, and it indicates the stock is likely to move higher in the near term. Now, we also see that it's testing resistance again, but it's testing resistance at this 50-day moving average only several days after it tested it the previous time. Now, we can draw a trend line here, and we'll see in drawing our trend line right here, we connect from the highs right here, the peak. We connect with this anchor point here and this anchor point here. We see the stock probed above that trend line a couple days ago, came back down, but now it is once again in striking distance to this trend line. So there's a good chance that if we see high volume, we look for volume in the coming days, if this stock gets above this downtrend line, notice how the downtrend line converges with the 50-day moving average. Momentum will reverse if the stock gets above the 50-day moving average and its downtrend line. And the potential buy entry point we like for the stock is to confirm the breakout above this prior high, above the $10.65 level. This would be our buy point if it gets above this level here. And we'd want to set a protective stop as well, no lower than below the low of today's price action. And what we also like about this chart is the fact that we can see a solid level of horizontal price support. Now, what we're looking at here with this horizontal trend line is we draw this from the prior low, swing low right here. The closing low from back in July of 2010 is right at this level, around the 943 area. Notice how the stock came down a couple weeks ago to just above that support level and then reversed. So what that indicates to us is that whenever the stock comes down to near this price, people see it as a buying opportunity because it's near its 52-week low. And now we don't buy stocks that are falling, we wait for them to reverse. But the stock has already been falling for many months, looks like about 8 months, and now it's starting to reverse. So when it gets above this level, we've got the confirmation for the buy signal with a lot of solid support below, and we like it as a potential buy entry. So this is one of the types of plays we like. Again, it's called a trend reversal play, and it's one of the types of plays we teach our students every day in our live webinars and Dragon Charts. If you've not already registered, please check us out at dragoncharts.com. See you tomorrow.